Hi guys, so कैसे हो आप सब? So guys, in this video we're going to talk about the 7 mistakes which young YouTubers are making right now. और इससे क्या हो रहा है guys? इससे आपके जो videos के views है बहुत कम आ रहे हैं, आपके channel का जो subscriber count है वो ज़्यादा increase नहीं हो रहा है और इससे obviously आपका channel grow नहीं कर रहा है और आपके जो videos है वो YouTube पर rank नहीं कर रहे हैं. So guys, in this video we're going to talk on this exactly, so guys stay tuned with me. So hi guys, I am Ramon Ghosh. Welcome back to another video. Subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tips just like this and also for some daily motivational videos and at times some live vlogs also. So let's get started. So guys, first जो हम लोगों का mistake है जो बहुत सारे young YouTubers कर रहे हैं और लोग who have just started their channels is that वो बहुत ही लंबे don't take me wrong, they are using this long 15 to 20 seconds transition introductions. ये animated introduction 15 to 20 seconds के ना guys, don't use these things क्योंकि इससे आपका कोई भी growth नहीं होगा क्योंकि I did start with this on my channel और अभी क्या बोलूं, ज़्यादा views इससे मेरे कभी नहीं आए, ज़्यादा subscribers भी कभी नहीं आए. My channel started growing the time I stopped using these kind of transitional introductions in my videos. तो अब जो मेन बात है तो मैं क्या दूं अपने वीडियोस के साथ में. तो गाइस, जब आपका वीडियो स्टार्ट हो रहा है प्ले एंड योर वीडियो स्टार्टेड, so after 1 or 2 seconds you start making the viewer understand what your entire video is going to be about, and in 10 to 15 seconds your viewer should completely understand what your entire video is going to be about. So that's good for the viewer, it's good for you as well. और उससे क्या होगा, आपका जो average view duration है वो बहुत increase होगा. You don't know, your videos might rank as well on YouTube. So guys, second जो हम लोगों का mistake है वो ये है कि your perspective the time you're making your videos. तो guys, मैं हूँ और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो एक्चुअली they have this questions in their mind कि यार मेरा YouTube चैनल ग्रो क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. लाइक भाई, मेरा सब्सक्राइबर काउंट कम हो रहा है यार, मेरा सब्सक्राइबर ग्रो ही नहीं कर रहा है, या मेरे लाइक्स कम आ रहा है, यार मेरे व्यूज कम आ रहे हैं. तो गाइस, टेक अ स्टेप बैक एंड थिंक. आप एक व्यूअर हो और आप आपके चैनल पर क्यों आओगे? व्हाई विल यू सब्सक्राइब टू योर ओन चैनल? व्हाई विल यू वॉच योर ओन वीडियोस? लाइक आपके वीडियोस में ऐसा स्पेशल क्या है? आपके वीडियोस में ऐसा स्पेशल क्या है which makes it look something out of the box, which makes your channel stand out? आपके चैनल में ऐसा क्या है which makes your videos and your channel stand out? So the time you start thinking just like this, your videos will start improving, your channel will also start to improve as well. और इससे क्या होगा guys, ये जो सारे questions है ना कि यार subscribers क्यों नहीं increase हो रहे, these all will get answered by your own self. So guys, ये जो third mistake है, ये सब young YouTubers लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है guys, क्योंकि like लोग who are thinking कि मैं अपना चैनल स्टार्ट करूंगा इस 2020 में, मैं अपना चैनल स्टार्ट करूंगा, इट विल ग्रो लाइक एनीथिंग, एकदम ट्रेंड पर जाएगा मेरा चैनल. सो गाइस, दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. और बहुत सारे लोग दे ओनली हैव दिस थॉट, पर वो कभी अपना चैनल स्टार्ट ही नहीं करते. दे जस्ट हैव मेड अ चैनल but they don't even upload a one video. So guys, the fourth mistake which a lot of young YouTubers do वो ये है कि बड़े और established channels के video titles copy करना. तो वो लोग अभी सोचते हैं कि उससे उनके वीडियोस पर ज्यादा व्यूज आएंगे या फिर ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स आ जाएंगे. तो at times it really happens. At times if you do that, you will get some views, you will get some good amount of subscribers, but you have to be your own self at some time. Like you cannot be a carbon copy of a channel. पर guys, अभी बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, लाइक बहुत सारे ऐसे बिग एस्टैब्लिश चैनल्स हैं, उनका जब वो वीडियोस डाल रहे हैं, they don't even need to give video tags in the videos. They don't even, like, they can give whatever title they think they should give in the video. Like they can give a video title just like this or just like this and people will still see their video. उन लोगों का एक ऑलरेडी बहुत ही बड़ा फैन बेस है. Like they already have somewhere around 15 to 18 million people subscribe to the channel. So obviously अगर वो कोई भी वीडियो टाइटल दे देंगे, कोई भी थंबनेल दे देंगे अपने वीडियोस पर, people will still go and watch them and videos will automatically make their videos rank. तो उससे क्या होगा, उनके चैनल obviously grow करेंगे as they already have made a fan base throughout the struggle of 8 to 7 years. This strategy is not going to work in the long run for you. So guys, the fifth mistake is a lot of small YouTubers like me as well. They are doing announcement videos. So guys, announcement videos, big and established channels होते हैं, they do such kinds of announcement videos like, so fans, मेरे फैमिली में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रही है guys, तो अभी ये जो वक्त है ना guys, मैं इसमें वीडियोस नहीं डाल पाऊंगा guys. So you guys stay with me और बहुत ही जल्द एक वीडियो. So these are not the kind of video you should do as you are a small channel. लोग आपके ये सब announcement videos नहीं देखना चाहते. Like they are here for your content, the content which you are good at. That's what they are here for. उन्हें वो दे दो यार, वो लोग happy हो जाएंगे, आप भी happy हो जाओगे. Don't give such kind of announcement videos, as these videos are mainly helpful for those who have a very big and established channel and who have a very high rate of subscribers on their channels, like somewhere around 600k, 700k, 1M, 2M, 3M, 15M, 18M. If you are no near to that range, please don't do any of the things, क्योंकि इससे आपका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. So guys, the sixth mistake which a lot of you do, and even I did at some point of time in my channel, which was not promoting my content or my videos on my channel on different platforms. Like the time your video is done, upload it on YouTube, and after that you will see this thing that it gives you these certain amount of options to share your content on. The more you share your content, the more your reach grows. ऐसे टाइम था जब मैं अपने इस YouTube वीडियोस को शेयर करता था सिर्फ मेरे WhatsApp पे, and the time I started sharing these on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, my reach really did grow a lot. Of guys, मेरे subscribers बहुत increase हो रहे हैं, but I still do need a lot of support from you guys to actually grow much and more bigger. Now we have come to the point number 7. So that is, सब लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं. Like they'll come and see these kind of videos about how you should grow your channel, how you can get more subscribers, and how you can really grow faster. Like you can get 1,000 subscribers in just a month. They'll all come and see these kinds of things, and they'll like keep this in their brain. But at the end of the day, they don't just apply all of this in their real life. So that's the thing you should do. Like if you really do want to grow on YouTube, you need to post content daily, like not daily, but in a regular basis. That is what you really need to do if you really want to grow on this platform. About that, so I think these tips work for me and they'll work for you as well. So thank you so much guys, and if you do like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon for more content just like this. See you in the next 4 days.